Greetings, one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Man, I came out thinking I was going to do a little hike today, but freaking, as you probably will see, both trailheads were just completely jammed with people. I mean, I can't really say I blame them. I mean, it's a really nice day today, as maybe you can see. I'm literally just parked side of the road here. It's my truck. You know, some really probably 1,000,005 homes. See, actually, I'm up on a big ass hill. Probably, it's pretty foggy, but there's basically a whole valley on the other side of that house. Which, you know, how nice would the view be living there? And that's down. That's actually where the trails are right over there. But as you can see by the streets are kind of narrow. I don't think you can park on them. And I did see a couple signs saying no parking. So. And I thought there's another place up here I could back into, kind of like I could here, and then I could walk up and get into the trails, but sort of a back door, as it were, except it looked like they filled it in. It's a gorgeous day though. It's not even cold at all. Maybe I'll drive up and show you that spot. I actually drove past like a whole bunch of birch trees too, so maybe I'll go grab some bark if I can. I should be able to. Just, you know, it's still winter technically, so none of the leaves are coming back yet. A little too soon. Man, if I don't figure something out now, today will end up being a bust. I mean, I'm still out and doing stuff, but not what I intended. So I could try the third parking lot, but I suspect I'm going to run into the same issue, but it probably wouldn't hurt to go check. So I guess I'll drive over and show you that other spot real quick. Then we'll go check the other parking space. I thought I was going to do something here on the tailgate, but they go check over there, check the birch trees, and then check the third parking lot. So that'll be my plan. Alright, so I'm at that spot I was talking about. See, you got a little dog cleanup area. Good place to get bags. See, and this is the private property sign. And as you can see, it takes me up to trail. So I could have hiked this, but I don't know why it says private property when this is public trail system. I'm a little confused about that. But then this is the. See, there's really nowhere to park except on the road. But then I saw a sign that said no parking. It's probably just to keep the whole street being lined with cars for people trying to get on the trail. How nice would it be to have that house, though? It's probably an expensive home, but if I lived in that house, I could just literally walk across the street and I could be on the trail. That would be nice. I have all kinds of woods behind me. Too bad the house isn't for sale, because I could probably park in their driveway and they would be none the wiser. Well, darn. I didn't think it'd be. I knew there'd be people at the trailhead. I didn't think it'd be that busy. Man, if you had a house and you had this as your view, that would be sweet. Someone's leaving. Oh yeah, see, it says fire lane. Well, it might be fire lane right there. I don't want to film these guys. Oh, fire lane, no parking both sides is what it says. Both sides. Well, it says fire lane, but it's probably just clever terminology so people don't have other people parking outside their house. I don't really want to ticket and or get towed, so because both would kind of suck. Alright, well, let's plan B. Let's run down to check out those birch trees I was talking about, and then I will head up to the third parking lot. That's actually at the top of the hill, and take a look, see what's going on up there. Hey, not everything goes as planned sometimes. So let's take a look. So at least 2 stops, and we'll kind of just go from there. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Awesome birch trees. Those are planted here by whoever, you know, did this little green area. But yeah, I've got birch, so I'm not gonna run up and take any. So, but we'll go up. Well, parking lot was rammed, as I figured. Plus, there'd just be distractions everywhere. It'd be hard to film. I actually find it hard to film when a lot of people are around, because it just throws me off. And there's a section of trail right here, except I can't park there. And I don't really want to be away from the car for much longer, because I could get a ticket. Let's see what the sign says, at least. Coyote Creek Trail, 1.3. Sky County Trailhead, 1.3 miles. I got some glare going. And I gotta figure out a plan B. I could do something tailgate here, but there'd just be too many cars coming back and forth. I guess I could always go up to the end of the street and then do lunch there, as I would have done on the trail, but it is 11:42. Man, what a drag. Well, what are you gonna do though? That's why I want my own property. I would never have to deal with too many people. Could I just say, hey, private property, gotta go. Pack up and geet. Well, maybe I'll try the end of the street. Maybe I'll do lunch there and then head home. I got a couple other videos I could probably do too. I use the bathroom. No good spots here either.